Hello guys, I'm Enchant Ahmed. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be giving you the part 2 of a tour to Nesto. So come along with me. So today I'll be showing you in the part 2 Date Fest. You can see these are the all cookies, sugar cookies, filled cookies, cookies with with cookies with jellies, chocolates. A chocolate cookie. Yeah, sugar cookie. Very reasonable prices. Three. If you want, if you want to buy them, you can. 4 dirham. Yeah. Yeah. So you can see there's sugar cookies, chocolate cookies, chocolate cookies filled with M&Ms, jelly cookies.
Okay, come on the date first.
Now here we at the Date Fest. So you can see at the Date Fest you can see they also sell they they also sell jelly beans, Smarties, sprinklers, and sesame candies, dates in a box, and some toffees. You can see raspberries covered in glaze. I'd like to buy them. Okay, be quiet. So come follow me. So in the
This is actually the date first.
fest. See, this is
These
the
are dried fig 38.
this is a dried fig, apricot balls, which are in reasonable prices. Dried dates from Iran, Makkah, figs from Iran. You can see the wet dates, big beans,
These are the rooms.
rooms. Yeah, you can see their dates from Palestine, Medina. Uh, you can see from these dates countries. They're from different nations
Huge collection.
of dates. So if you want to buy some dates, you can come here and buy.
If you want to take a gift
So you can
for
see
your
Ajwa
dear ones,
dates.
you can get it. See?
So you can see their dates from Medina. You can see their dry dates, wet dates,
Not grapes.
syrup dates. And you can see here, these are tutti fruities. You can see it's a very
Kind of dates.
you can see it's a very big stall. Those are tutti fruities. You can see that these are tutti fruities. You put them on. So now we are
Here,
Nimco section. So it starts from a box,
namkeen
sweets section.
I like eat because they are my favorite.
So here, half of these are sweet, half of them are spicy, salty, spicy, sweet.
Tasty.
So you can see these ones are all kind of Nimcos. They're from different countries. So you can see some are sweet. These two are sweet. Then spicy, salty. Yeah, it's as
with
per
different textures. Some are big, some are small, some are
yeah. Some are in different shapes. Some are
some
circles.
have peanuts, some have other nuts.
Some some looks like churros. Some look like biscuits.
These are the packets.
You can get them in
Banana
boxes.
chips.
You can get them in boxes and packets if you want to. If you want to take them to your home country and give it as a gift to your loved ones, it's better to take a packet instead of a box.
You like pimples?
I love Nimcos. So you can see there are banana chips, sunflower seeds, and you can see the mixed Nimcos also. And see they have offers also. You can see there are sweet Nimcos, Nimcos that looks like churros. Ch- they have different shapes, different spice levels, different sweetness, and different saltiness. You can see there are peanuts also here, dried fruit. You can
I
see,
like these.
yeah, peanuts covered in spices.
I like these so much.
Yeah, yeah, spicy peanuts. You can see they are covered.
I like them so
Flavored-
much.
Flavored.
I like them
peanuts.
so much.
You can see they're normal also, spicy
These are
cashew.
candies of different fruits.
Yeah, like oranges, capsicums, raspberries. So you can see the almonds but covered in spices. Almonds, raspberries. They're dried. They sell dried fruit without spices and with spices, which they have a lot of variety.
This is whole section of Nimbus.
Yes.
So many varieties. So much. Different types.
Yeah. Yeah. So and here you get
Mohammed come. Mohammed is still there.
yeah. This is the other side of Nimco's. You can see on the top. You can see on the top there are Nimco's, and here they have put also croissants here. Croissants, which are my favorite, chocolate-filled croissants. And you can see there are bake rolls. These are chips, sticks, and many more in Asian sweets. Yeah. So you can see there are more Nimcos, but they also sell. They have rolled up dates. They have rolled dates in those. You can see they also sell peas covered in spices. You can see. You can see they also have covered peas and
Mohammed, don't do it.
these are very. You can see these are flavored chickpeas covered in spices.
Father Rock.
Chickpeas covered in spices. They have different weights: 200 grams, 1 kilo, 2 kilos.
So you can get
Different
all
weights.
kind of packing. So if you want 100 grams, 400 grams, you can get package. You can get boxes. You can get big boxes, and in different brands and in different prices. So whatever is your budget, you can get it.
You can see they
These
have,
are all very good snacks.
they have also put offers for
Yeah, they
the
have put
Limco.
offers.
You can see Sadda fingers. Fix.
So let's go to the bakery section.
Yeah, the bake.
Mama, come.
Father Rock.
Where did you go?
I don't know.
So guys, come on, follow me. Let's go to the bakery section. No.
Very good. Sweet things.
You can see there are
Cakes. With
snacks.
in
If you're going to your
boxes to give them.
you can see here So you can see right here they are dry cakes. You can eat them in tea or eat them like that. You can see they have offers for one box. They have 2 dirhams, and they have different flavors. And here is this is everything dry cakes. Now we're at the bakery section. You can get this type of buns
These
or
are cream buns.
cream buns. They're very big and delicious. They're very big and delicious. You can see therefore these are bakery items. So these are bakery items. You can see here also there are sugar cookies, cookies with M&Ms, peanuts. You can see there are different kinds of cookies, churros.
Some are on full price.
Yes,
Some
are
are
on
on offer.
offers. So you can see here there are different Indian and Pakistani sweets. You can see the croissants here also, flavored and plain and flavored also. You can see there's dishes here also. There are cookies with chocolate chips also, are original.
Muhammad, don't do this.
And look,
All kind of Indian, Pakistani, Chinese.
You can see,
There are rolls.
you can see mini croissants.
donuts,
You can see
cakes,
there are mini
Patties, rolls,
buns, slices of pizzas,
donuts,
donuts. You can see there are many donuts. Donut heaven,
mini donuts.
donut lord's house. Mini donuts, different flavors, chocolate with sprinkles, strawberry with sprinklers, cappuccino donuts, nutty cream
cakes.
donuts. Yeah,
So come, guys.
nutty cream donuts, party donuts, Texas donuts. So you can see there's slices of cheesecake here also.
Donut cake size.
So you can see there's slices of cheesecake here. There are slices 9 dirhams per piece.
See, they have cake.
What?
You can
Cheesecakes.
get a
And pepper,
slice
and pepper
or
cake,
otherwise
and pepper cakes.
one full. But if
And
you want
who
to
even
get
make
one
this
slice,
pepper
you can
cake?
get it like
And look,
this.
a pepper cake. A pepper cake.
Yes,
Small
up
cake.
X. You can see this. If you want to get a piece of cake for one serving, also they also sell one like a slice, so you don't need to buy a whole cake. And you can see there are many beautiful and delicious cakes here. Delicious cakes for birthday parties, any celebrations. You can see here are also cream
So
buns.
these are the offer on cakes.
And
So you
look
can
at this.
Cakes are on
And look at
offer.
these pig cakes. And look at this watermelon.
And one more thing special that you can get the cake customized over here.
Yeah, you can get.
If you have birthday, you can get it customized. If you have any celebration, you can get it customized.
Yes.
So and their cakes are very delicious.
See,
These cakes are Black Forest cake is
these small cakes are 20 dirhams.
20 dirham. So for
They
your
are
family,
these.
if you have
Have a small
weekend,
weekend.
you can get this small cakes. So the other section of the bakery,
And now let's come to the follow me to come to the other section of the bakery. Here you can see Makanesh
Manaki.
Kish. You can see Manakish are basically an Arabic pizza. You can see they come in za'atar and different flavors. You can see banquets here directly from France. French bread.
I like it.
You can say cheese pizza. You can get them pre-made or pre-cooked. You can see you can also get rotis here, chapatis.
Fire can.
You can see, and here they cook the pizzas.
We're making pizza ready.
They cook the pizza. This is the Indian Chinese food festival. So you can see there are many Indian and Pakistani sweets.
Gulab jamun.
Gulab jana. You can see jalebi, You can see jalebi, laddus, everything.
Indian Pakistani
Any
sweets
sweets?
and in small packets.
Also,
You want it single for a single person, we can get
yes,
little big.
yes. You can also
By
get
kg, you can get
yes. So now you can see
cooked food.
cooked food. You can get pickles also, fried rice,
Here are the
noodles,
food.
a
You can
curry.
get it and sit down here and eat.
Yeah, you can see the sitting area here. So you can see their biryanis, palaus, they cook it in very big pots so they sell out very quickly. You can see their small chickens, they are baked, their chicken fried leg pieces, fries.
And there's only little fries.
And in this section, you have offers like 6 dirhams pepper offer.
You can see they give lasagna also, chicken lasagna. They also give dals, butter chicken, grilled fish also. They give many food ready to go eat.
Come and dine over here. You can get food from here. Sit down there. And here you can get the pizza.
So here you
can
can
order
get
the pizza.
pizza, one slice
They will cook it for you.
and give it to you. And if you want to add any customized
They bake it for you.
toppings,